Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and review into Huxwar. And yes, people, this is Triple Play Saturday round 2. Now, this one is a fun watch face. It's going to be an everyday watch face, but yet a nice weekend watch face, depending on how you're going to be dressed up for the day, right? The name of this watch face is called Tribalfer. Now, in AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look. It's going to look different, probably from the Gears 3 to the Gears 2, but you are going to get your digital time at a glance, which is important. But looking at this watch face, I like the fun uniqueness of it, right? Now your time is going to be stacked. You're going to have your hour at the top, minute down at the bottom. Right here, you probably can't tell because the font is very unique. That's your date. Over here, you're going to get your month and also the day of the week. Also, you get your miles walked or ran. You're going to get your step info, battery, and you'll also get your heart rate. So I thought this was definitely a good look, a watch face worth downloading, especially since it's free in the Gear Manager store. Now, this type of watch face, people, I don't know how long it's gonna last. Make sure you download ASAP, but you can customize the theme color of this watch face. We can cycle through many different ones that can tie into most any attire so far as color is concerned that you have on, if you're talking about matching up your watch with your outfit. This is nice. I thought the developer really got down on this one, and I'm giving them 3 thumbs up for an awesome design. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this one. Let's check out the bonus watch. Bonus watch face number 2, people. Now this one is very simple. It's an analog watch face. The name of it is called JMO Analog 5C. So in AOD mode, you are going to get a nice analog time for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. They're both going to look nice. It's pretty much going to look the same as if you had the watch face on so far as the design is concerned. But when it's on, it has a nice traditional analog time. So if you're going out or you're dressing super casual for the weekend and you need a nice timepiece, this one is going to be the one you want to download. Now, no, it's not going to give you your steps, but if you hit the town, you really don't want your steps cluttering up such a nice timepiece like this one. Now, you will get the date, your day of the week down at the bottom. Going to get a nice ticking second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. And the hands look nice for this type of watch face. Not bad at all. All right, you all, that's going to be it for Triple Play Saturday round 2. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on these watch faces. All right, you all, enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'll see you all at the next video. Take care. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.